Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the Electromechanical Engineering from Kemenkes Surabaya. My team to give you information about nebulizer, and my name is Kurniawan. I will to explain about nebulizer, and I have two friends in the side and right and left. And in right, his name is.
My name is Ilham. I will to explain standard operational procedure nebulizer ultrasonic.
And my friend in left, his name.
My name is Raditya Astawianta. I will to explain about maintenance nebulizer.
Thank you. Let's do it and check it out. Hello, my name is Kurniawan. I from the Kemenkes Surabaya in Electromechanical Engineering. I want to tell you about the ultrasonic nebulizer. I want to give you a description from ultrasonic nebulizer in a definition. Nebulizer is one of the electromedical devices used to provide therapeutic treatment for patients who have a disorder or abnormalities in the respiratory tract by utilizing a liquid vapor that has been mixed with the drug, where the liquid vapor through the process of breaking the drug liquid into a very fine mist, so that when inhaled through the mouth and nose, the drug will go directly to the lung to relieve cough complaints and other asthma symptoms. Nebulizer tools of medical. There are two types of nebulizer. Is nebulizer compressor and nebulizer ultrasonic. Nebulizer compressor. Nebulizer with air suppression, which is giving air pressure from the pipe to the lid containing liquid medicine. The strength of air pressure will break down the liquid into small vapor particles that can be held easily into the respiratory tract. And two is ultrasonic nebulizer. This tool produces aerosol through high frequency oscillation from piezoelectric crystal, which come with solution and liquid breaking into aerosol. Okay, I think enough from me. Next, my friend to give you about the nebulizer is a standard operational procedure. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Ilham. I will explain the process for using an ultrasonic nebulizer. Okay, first connect the power cable to the power source. 2. Press the on-off button. 3. Fill water into the water pool, the specific lever. 4. 5. The machine liquid into the solution cup. 5. Install accessories such as the corrugate hose on the output of the nebulizer and mouthpiece. 6. Set a timer for the duration of the therapy process. 7. Press the on-off start switch to start the appliance. 8. Adjust the intensity of evaporation by turning the nebulization volume knob. 9. Adjust the airflow speed by turning the airflow volume knob. And 10. When done, turn off the tool by pressing the on-off switch. Thank you. Then maintenance will be explained by Raditya. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Mr. Rizky, Mr. Ilham. My name is Roy Ditya. I want to explain the maintenance nebulizer. One, after every use, thoroughly rinse the nebulizer cup, shake out any excess water and let it air dry. Once a day, the nebulizer cup and tubbing should be washed with mild soap and warm water and also dried by air. 2. Make sure to change the filter in the compressor of the machine every 3 to 6 months to ensure a fine mist is achieved with every use and the motor runs properly. 3. Replace nebulizer part by following the manufacturer replacement schedule. 4. Keep your nebulizer free from dust that can clog the compressor. This can be done by wiping the machine down daily with a damp cloth or keeping it in a dust-free environment like a drawer or cloth bag. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thanks for watching my channel and thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.